Also with another neighbor, we have the bees on our land on several places. If I can choose between a species who has from trees who has flowers and one who doesn't have, I always take the one who's good for pollinators, because we all know that they can really need some help from us. So that's why we also put the boxes here, but we have everywhere wild bees and all kind of pollinators on the land, and that's what we stimulate. This is one of the native plants from here. You see that it's flowering now, the little green flowers, and it's full of bees already. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really full of bees. Here you can see the residue from the leftovers from the cover crops from last year. You see that we don't mow them. You see that they are complete dry. There's nothing much in it for giving natural material to the soil, but still it's there. It would be better if you put animals in the system so that they can eat and put their droppings here. But we stopped with the sheeps on our land, because in the summer we don't have anything green here, and you see then that the sheep eat everything, also the small trees that we planted. So then we made the decision that we took the animals out of the system. It's not the best system because animals belong to the system, but at this moment we don't have another solution. So we keep them out, and this is still here. It does something with the root system, opens up the soil, water can go more easy, infiltrate in the soil, but you don't have all the benefits from the cover crops that you normally would like to have, but still you have benefits.
Do the ants play a part? Now they have a very, very important role. What they do is they take all this organic material into the soil, so they are a really important part of the cycle.